It's different. It's different when you have people around. You have different people sitting around listening. I want to get myself out of that. Just jump into the pool, right? Thank you. This is a series on how I'm going to get over performance anxiety. Now, I've been playing piano for over 20 years. At the age of 14, I achieved my ARCT Teachers, ARCT Performers, and my Licentiate from the London College of Music. I've been teaching piano since 2009, but I still get nervous playing in front of people. My name is Lucian Liu. I am 24 years old, and this is how I overcame performance anxiety. Because if I'm playing at home, getting better and better at home, it's different. It's different when you have people around. You have different people sitting around listening. And so I want to get myself out of that. Like, I still get the butterflies inside when I play. And so I feel like the best way is to straight up just jump into the pool, right? Just jump into the pool. Just straight up. It's not as bad when you just jump right in. Change it up a little bit. Let's do this. This front and center. One on the keys, one on the face. There you go. Try and play one more.
I play piano too.
Oh yes, please. Please. You ready to keep going?
No, I don't know that.
And one more time. And.
That's it.
Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and go. Again, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, go. High five. Hey, there you go.
I know some of Fur Elise.
For Elise? Okay, here we go. Yeah, you want to do it? Okay, you do it. Oh, you got it. You got it. C, E, A, B,
I don't know the rest.
E, G, C.
Yeah, that's all I learned from my.
Very cool. How long have you been playing for?
I've been playing for like a year or something.
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty good. Well, nice work. Nice work. I gotta get out of here too. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, thank you. If you like this video, please share this with a friend. If you'd like to follow my journey of overcoming performance anxiety, hit subscribe and hit the bell button.